Votary Natural Glow Day Cream is a multi-active day cream to give your skin a gorgeous, naturally luminous glow. It's formulated with a trio of plant ferments. So we have radish and pomegranate and columang, and they provide an anti-inflammatory effect on the skin, and they also help smooth the skin's texture. We have also used bakuchiol in this cream, which is known to fight fine lines and to improve the elasticity in the skin. It also contains a yeast ferment which helps to improve and smooth the skin's texture. And lastly, we have used hyaluronic acid and also safflower oleosomes, which are tiny capsules of oil that deliver really long-lasting hydration. So they slow release over the course of the day, providing really long-lasting moisture for the skin. It's a really clever formulation that delivers day-long hydration and moisture to your skin to give you a glow that will last from morning through to evening. So to use the Natural Glow Day Cream, simply use it after applying your facial oil or straight after cleansing, and apply it in smooth upwards motions to the skin, and it will leave your skin looking super glowy and gorgeous and ready to face the day.